So I want to show you a very big pig house today, okay, which is very detailed. So this is the disinfecting area. So you just do like this before you enter so that you don't spread diseases. Then, okay, so the pigs live in cages or cubes, to say. This is a steel door, still, because if you put something light, the pigs will break it. So you can look here, okay. And this is how it looks at the top. When you're constructing, you make sure you check the direction of the wind. Because the pigs don't like cold environment, they get pneumonia. Then we have that chain. The pigs play with it when they are sleeping. Then we have nipples for water. I don't know if you can see there. That's a nipple. Okay. Then you have the feeding area. You can see the piglets are sleeping on the feeding area there. And the house is generally very clean. Okay. Very clean, a very humane environment. So for bigger pigs like this one, you can divide the rooms into two so that they eat here. You see, they are yet to get food. That is the feeding area. And the house is in slanting, the floor. Make sure the floor is in a slanting so that its waste can go out towards the sewer. Like this. Let me show you. Now like this. That is where the waste go. Okay. The floor is a bit rough so that they don't slide and fall down. Yeah, like that. Then we have nipples. Here we have two. I don't know if you can see the nipples with water. So the pigs, they bite the nipple, then the water comes out. Okay. So if where you're living is very cold, you can put the black polythene bags. There you go, the black polythene bags. They help to prevent wind from coming in, so they don't feel cold. But if it's very cold, you have electricity. You see, there are connection. There are electrical wires. There you can see. It's not very clear. There. So you put the red bulbs, the infrared bulbs. I don't know what they call. You can see the pig is playing with the chain. I don't know if you can see. There. You see how it's playing with the chain? So every cube must have that chain so that it bites when it's idle. You see? Okay. Let's check another cube. Pigs are very brainy. They cannot poop where they sleep. So you can see here Mama Pig is feeding the piglets. You see? It's very big. I think I had shown you earlier. You see? This is large white. But the piglets, it's a mixed breed. Large white and Duroc. That is what we have here. Okay. And then, so every room has its feeding area. You see? This one, it has some food. Today we are doing a pig feeds, not the organic food from the kitchen waste. So they will take the kitchen waste in the evening. You can see this pig very relaxed, very happy in a very clean environment with two piglets. Okay. This room is a bit small because they're just three. This is the chain. Okay. So the same thing is happening to this cube. I think they are eating. You can see. They are yet to get some food. Oh, they have not put the food. But the pig is drinking water. I don't know if you can see from the nipple. You see the nipple, how it's working? The pig is biting the nipple, then water comes out. So if you're constructing the house, you make sure the water system is very reliable. Let me count this side. You see, it has two nipples. One is up. This one is up. This nipple, because the mama pigs is quite tall. But now, for the piglets, now they use the smaller, the one that is down. The one, let me show you. The one that the mama pig is drinking. So that is for the piglets. So one up, one down for the nipples. Okay. And they are breastfeeding. I'll do another video when they're shedding their teeth. I will show you. So we have here. You see the way it's biting the steel door? So you make sure that you're using a very strong steel, this one, so that it doesn't break. A permanent structure, the better. This is for the bulbs. When it is very cold, we put the red bulbs so that they can feel warm. Okay, and then we have the nipple is quite low. I don't know if you can see. Okay. Okay. Then that is where the waste goes. Okay. Then we have these ones here. Very beautiful. Let me put my camera like this. You see? They're very beautiful. You come and buy 3,000 Kenya shillings. Okay. This is another one. So all our cubes look the same design. The feeding area in a slanting, I don't know if you can see if it's slanting. Let me nail. Okay. You see, the ground is a bit slanting. Oh, you know, the pigs. So the pigs sleep they know how to separate. Where they sleep, they don't poop. They poop here, and then they sleep there. Okay, and you make sure you wash the pigsty twice per day, morning and evening, so that they remain clean and to prevent diseases. So this is the main pipe that transports water for cleaning. Yeah, the main water pipe towards all the doors. There again, there you go. Oh, they are sleeping. There they go, they are sleeping. So these ones, they are ready for sale. They are quite big. You can see, quite big. So let's see how they clean. So you wash the pig. Maji inaenda nje yenyewe. Maji inatokea wapi? Bathing time. Tiny bathing time. have this for the wound. This is the cleanest cube, you see. Now they are resting. Okay. Look how clean, very clean. So I want to see the sewerage. When you construct, you need to connect it to a sewer. So let me show you where ours go. So this is it. You can see the pipes and the droppings all the way here. You see they have separated it so that it doesn't go to the farm direct. We've linked it to our biogas, so I'll show you how it has been linked so that it does not pollute the environment. So this is the outside. So this is how it looks from outside. So if you buy our pigs, we've grown them in a very humane environment, very clean. We vaccinate them on time, and that's the biogas. So it has gone straight to the biogas. I don't know if you can see or I go closer. There you go. I had dropped another video for the biogas there. So that's where our waste go. Then you make sure you have a cooking area so that you can give it some cooked food. This is ours. This is its pot, cooking pot. Okay. Right now. Bathing time. One and a half months piglets. Yeah. Selling at 2 months. After weaning. You see they are very clean. Maintaining cleanliness in a pig house is very important to avoid diseases and smell. If you don't clean, the entire area will be smelling. So for us, we clean morning and evening. You see? So if you buy your piglets, make sure you maintain the cleanliness. Okay? Very beautiful. So this one is living alone because it's almost giving birth, but has some piglets there. Oh, not giving birth, it's breastfeeding. It's tired, you can see. We didn't see the piglets in the beginning. They will come to clean here. They're cleaning other cubes. It's some work, you see. And it's just relaxing. Okay. So I want you to see the whole house. Then this is where we put its feeds, pig feeds. I told you we give them waste from the kitchen and we mix with this. You see? So you make sure you buy very good food that has some nutrients so that your pigs can add weight very well. And then for biosecurity, this is the back door. We lock it. This is the back door. You can see. We lock it and it's all still with enough ventilation. You see? You can also put a CCTV camera to just monitor the activities near the building. You see? Okay. So I want you to see all the cubes. There are 24. 12 on this side, on my right, and then 12 on my left. Yes, and all our cubes are full. All our cubes are full. We are selling the piglets. So if you like pig farming, please come and pick. Come and buy. I don't know if you can see the floor. It's more rough so that the pigs don't slide and break their legs like that. And if you're doing pig farming, you make sure you are able to tell a sick pig and a healthy one. See, this one is sleeping. And then the house is locked. The house is locked. It's very strong. So the pig cannot break this one. When they're playing, they like to play a lot. Okay, look at this huge white lad. It's very huge. In fact, my camera is not doing me justice. It's not showing how big it is. It's very huge. So if you have enough resources, you can divide the rooms into two. Like this one, you see it has been separated from the inside. Let me show you from this other side. So it is just one room but has been partitioned. But this one is hosting 4. So 2 will sleep here, 2 on the other side. And then this is the feeding area for these ones there. So they are yet to be given food. I will provide that in a few once we finish cleaning. So we have a sick pig. You see this one? They were playing and hurt one of them. Ngoja ni record.
No.
I can get inside.
Yeah.
Okay. So drinking water from one of the nipples. Good.
Hata wewe unakunywa maji. Ngine ndio.
So it is pressing the nipple. Ooh. Presses. When it presses, the water comes up. That's their breastfeeding. And I forgot, when you're doing the wiring, you make sure the electric wire is up so that the pigs don't bite and get electrocuted. You see ours is up. If you put it low, when they are playing, they will bite the wire and it will die. The electric wire. The electric wire is for the bulbs during cold season. But when it's not cold, you disconnect the bulb so they don't get destroyed. I like how they are breastfeeding. Very healthy pigs and piglets, you see. The mother has eaten, very full, and now can breastfeed. Oh, just woke up. So this is our large white boar. Boar is a male pig sleeping alone with its food. When you give it food, there's a way you calculate its food against its age, so that you don't overfeed or you underfeed. But per day, if it is the pig feeds, you give it at least 2 kilograms. If it is this, let me show you. I had shown you earlier. If it is this, at least 2 kilograms per day, and then you mix with the kitchen waste. Okay. So you can see we have disconnected our bulb and we tied the electric wire up so that we don't put the pigs at risk. Okay, so I am done for today. I will share another one when we will be teething, when we will be removing. It's very windy right now, so I don't know if you can see how the polythene bags are coming in handy. They prevent a lot of wind from passing. Pigs don't like wind. They get sick very easily. Pigs enjoy a warm environment. So because of that, we have sealed one side. So we've sealed one side with the polythene bags, and then this other side is open for aeration. We don't seal everywhere, you see? Aeration. So go through this video and make sure you support us by buying our piglets. You can ask for details and location. I will tell you. Goodbye. Goodbye. Say goodbye to my pigs. Come and buy our piglets, 3,000 Kenya shillings. We sell at 2 months. You see? I just found one plain. You see how the chain link is very helpful? Just look at that. Wow.